Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take notes from Google Meet. It's really simple and easy. So if you are in a meeting and we are going to go over to the bottom right corner where we have some icons here. Tap on this activities. Now under activities, you have some options here. Feature add-ons, some other Google options here. So here we are going to click on show more and we have some other options here as well. We have read meeting notes taker. So click on it and here it says smarter collaborative meeting notes in Google Meet for free. So this is good. Just simply tap on this install, select your account, sign in, and when this is installed it says welcome to read and you are going to have to log in again, and right here you have two options: take my meeting notes or take notes with AI. So you have the choice to do this if you want. Here it says read is here to make your meetings more productive than ever. Choose your preferred and note taking method, manual or AI powered. The choice is yours. So you can make your preference to start making notes from Google. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to take notes from Google Meet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.